Are annoying robocalls ruining your peace of mind? Here are some quick and easy ways to keep robocalls and scammers from ringing your iPhone. Apple iOS includes a feature called Silence Unknown Callers. Turn it on by opening Settings, then Phone, and enabling Silence Unknown Callers. This will send all calls from people not in your contacts directly to voicemail instead of ringing your phone. For more sophisticated controls, download a third-party call filtering app such as Call Control, Hiya, or RoboKiller. Pro tip: Verizon, T-Mobile, and most other providers include one of the call filtering apps in their services for free or for a small monthly fee, but you have to install the app yourself. See my comprehensive free guide on how to protect yourself from criminal fraudsters for links to each provider's app. There you have it. Say goodbye to robocalls and enjoy your iPhone in peace. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips.